Did you know? The solar system is about 4.6 billion years old, and it all started with a massive cloud of gas and dust that collapsed under its own gravity to form the sun and planets. The sun, our solar system's centerpiece, contains 99.86% of its total mass. It's so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Mercury, the smallest planet, has no atmosphere to retain heat. As a result, temperatures on its surface can swing from scorching 430 degrees Celsius during the day to freezing nigh 180 degrees Celsius at night. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and structure. However, its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth is the only known planet to support life, thanks to its perfect distance from the Sun, protective atmosphere, and abundant water. Interestingly, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. Mars, the red planet, gets its hue from iron oxide or rust on its surface. It has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Jupiter is the largest planet and has a powerful magnetic field. Its iconic Great Red Spot is a storm larger than Earth, raging for at least 350 years. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, made mostly of ice particles, rock, and dust. These rings span up to 282,000 kilometers wide, but are only about 10 meters thick. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side, with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. This odd orientation likely resulted from a collision with an Earth-sized object long ago. Neptune, the farthest planet, has supersonic winds that can reach speeds of up to 21,100 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite this, it continues to captivate scientists with its complex surface and possible subsurface ocean. Midway through this journey of cosmic wonders, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps us create more fascinating content. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter contains millions of rocky objects, remnants from the early solar system that never formed into planets. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are made of ice, dust, and rock. When they approach the Sun, their ice vaporizes, creating a glowing tail visible from Earth. The Kuiper Belt, located beyond Neptune, is home to many icy bodies, including Pluto. It's like a cosmic junkyard of leftover material from our solar system's formation. The Oort cloud, a theoretical shell of icy objects, marks the outer boundary of our solar system. It's believed to be the origin of long-period comets. The Sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing immense amounts of energy. This process has been powering the Sun for billions of years. Solar flares, sudden eruptions of energy from the Sun's surface, can affect Earth by disrupting communication systems and causing power outages. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, influences tides on our planet. Interestingly, it's slowly moving away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. Jupiter's moon Europa is a prime candidate for finding extraterrestrial life. Beneath its icy crust lies a salty ocean that may harbor microbial organisms. Saturn's moon Titan is the only moon with a dense atmosphere. Its surface features rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and ethane. Uranus has faint rings that are hard to observe. These rings were discovered in 1977 when they blocked the light of a distant star during a stellar occultation. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, orbits the planet in the opposite direction of its rotation, a phenomenon called retrograde orbit. The Sun will eventually run out of fuel and become a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. This dramatic transformation is billions of years away. The heliosphere, a bubble-like region created by the solar wind, protects our solar system from harmful cosmic radiation. Venus spins so slowly that a day on its surface lasts longer than a Venusian year. Mars experiences massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet and last for months. The Sun's corona, its outer atmosphere, is hotter than its surface, a phenomenon that still puzzles scientists. Earth's magnetic field, generated by its molten iron core, shields us from solar radiation and cosmic rays. Jupiter has 79 known moons, the most of any planet, with Ganymede being the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers that shoot water vapor and ice into space, indicating the presence of a subsurface ocean. Uranus and Neptune are called ice giants because their interiors are composed mainly of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, resembling Earth's moon, due to the lack of an atmosphere to protect it from impacts. The Sun accounts for 99% of the mass in the solar system, making it the gravitational anchor for all planets and celestial bodies. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet, with over 1,600 known volcanic structures. Mars's thin atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, making it impossible for liquid water to exist on its surface for long periods. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, creating intense radiation belts around the planet. Saturn's rings are younger than the planet itself, possibly forming less than 100 million years ago. Neptune's vivid blue color comes from the absorption of red light by methane in its atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.